Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser, or you may also open up the Facebook application on your smartphone. If you are using your web browser, type in facebook.com in the address bar and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Facebook website. In order to create a new account, click on Create New Account, and you will now be taken into the sign up page. Now just type in your first and your last name, followed by your date of birth. Then choose your gender, and then enter your phone number or your email address. After typing in your preferred email address, type in your preferred password for your account, and then click on the sign up button. Once you click on sign up, you can click on the continue button, and then confirm your identity. After you pass the CAPTCHA test, click on continue, and now you will be asked to enter your email address once again. Type in your email address and click on send login code. You will now be asked to enter the code that has been sent within your email. So just log into your inbox and you will find your confirmation code. Just enter this code within the given box and click on the next button. And now you can upload your profile picture in order to sign up for your account. Click on the upload image button and upload an image from your device. You will be asked to fill up further information that you wish to show within your account. And after setting up all of your information, your account will be ready to use. And there you have it. That is how you can create a new account on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.